Hi, welcome to the Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to enable and disable content restrictions in apps on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then into Settings, scroll down and click the Screen Time. Then after that, in the screen time, scroll down again and click the content and privacy restrictions. Then after that, in the content and privacy restrictions, click the content restrictions. Then after that, in this part, click the apps. And in the apps, if you want to enable or disable, just click it until there's a check mark on the side if you want to disable. And if you want to enable, just click this part, the allow, to enable. And that's it. We have successfully enabled and disabled content restrictions in apps on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.